unveil, unveil. She unveiled the surprise party for her friend. She unveiled the surprise party for her friend. The artist unveiled his latest painting at the exhibition. The artist unveiled his latest painting at the exhibition. Destroy, destroy. Force can never destroy right. Force can never destroy right. The storm destroyed several houses in the village. The storm destroyed several houses in the village. Gain, gain. The team gained a lead in the game. The team gained a lead in the game. The company gained a new customer. The company gained a new customer. Inspire, inspire. Her courage has inspired us. Her courage has inspired us. The teacher inspired his students to succeed in school. The teacher inspired his student to succeed in school. Measure, measure. The cloth measures 3 meters. The cloth measures 3 meters. He measured the length of the table with a ruler. He measured the length of the table with a ruler. Overcome, overcome. She overcame her fear of public speaking. She overcame her fear of public speaking. Molly had fought and overcome her fear of flying. Molly had fought and overcome her fear of flying. Persist, persist. If the pain persists, see a doctor. If the pain persists, see a doctor. He persisted in his efforts to complete the project. He persisted in his efforts to complete the project. Reduce, reduce. The medicine reduces the fever. The medicine reduces the fever. We should reduce the amount of sugar we eat. We should reduce the amount of sugar we eat. Derived, derived. The milk is derived from cows. The milk is derived from cows. The paper is derived from trees. The paper is derived from trees. Differ, differ. I deferred my payment for a few days. I deferred my payment for a few days. They deferred the game because of the rain. They deferred the game because of the rain. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Yukti is looking very gorgeous today. Yukti is looking very gorgeous today. My new dress is so gorgeous. My new dress is so gorgeous. Benevolent. Benevolent. She is known for her benevolent nature. She is known for her benevolent nature. Sahil is a very benevolent person. Sahil is a very benevolent person. Annoyed. Annoyed. He was annoyed by the loud noise. He was annoyed by the loud noise. She was annoyed because she missed the bus. She was annoyed because she missed the bus.